Hey guys, Matt Smallbone from Forest River FR3. Today I want to show you guys how the dash is operated and what all these buttons do. So right now, where this is our home page, to access this area, all you gotta do is just press this home button here that's on that top left. That'll bring you directly to this page. Next to it, you'll have your volume controls. So that's plus and minus. And then you do have a forward and back, as well as a voice button. Down here, you can actually operate your radio, your Sirius XM, your Bluetooth, USB, and then you do have settings in here. One thing I want to notice is that you do have wireless CarPlay in this as well as a USB hookup for CarPlay and charging your phone. Right now, actually, I have my phone set up to the wireless CarPlay, so you'll have this Apple CarPlay or Android Auto display up here. You press that button, it'll bring up your Apple CarPlay. Nice thing about this is that you have your maps already built into that. You have your wherever you listen to music, and then also your messages and whatever other apps you have on Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. I'm going back to the homepage here. When you are driving down the road and you activate your blinkers, say you activate your right blinker, that will activate your right camera. So you can actually see out there. Right now we do have that slide out there, but you can see about 2 lanes of traffic coming down. And then your left blinker will activate your left camera. And then putting it in reverse will allow you to access the rear facing camera. But then you also have the ability to activate your rear camera at all times. So if you have a tow vehicle behind you that you want to keep eyes on, you can have that rear camera on all the time. So very simple to operate, very straightforward, very user friendly.